Charze LED, domestic and commercial. Promisingly engaged in illuminating your surrounding.
Hello friends, I welcome all our viewers, customers, dealers, distributors, team and all who are witnessing the LED revolution today. We are committed to constructing a better tomorrow with prominent futuristic goals to make the brand Charze nation's pride. We appreciate your contribution so far with the strong vision of let's make things happen. I firmly believe that the Charze brand should not merely exist to generate profits year by year. Rather, we should cultivate a robust financial ecosystem to empower our esteemed partners and customers generation after generations. This commitment might come true through our collective aspiration to contribute significantly to the enrichment of our nation's economy shortly. According to the Local Circles Survey 2022, 2 out of 3 households in our country have admitted to facing power outage, while 1 in 3 households faces power outage of over 2 hours or more each day. I request you all to make the brand Charze capable of resolving such national issues to some extent with our all-new emergency bulb lighting up for up to 4 hours once charged, and keep the thought alive with our success mantra. Let's make things happen nationwide. Let us move into the elaborate product section. Keep watching and stay connected. Thank you very much.
Is a Make in India initiative by the company Charze Industries Private Limited. The company is a registered MSME having exclusive certifications of ROSH, ISO 9001-2015, ISO 14001-2015 and ISO 45001-2018.